Let's be honest. You've probably tried to change before. Started strong, had good intentions, made promises to yourself. And then life happened. You got busy. You got tired. You told yourself you'd start again Monday. Here's the truth most people avoid. The problem isn't your circumstances. The problem isn't your schedule. The problem is your mindset has been trained to quit. And if you feel like you're stuck in the same patterns, making the same excuses, having the same conversations with yourself, you need to understand something fundamental about how your mind works. Most people have trained their minds to expect failure. They start things knowing they'll probably quit. They make commitments knowing they'll probably break them. This creates a cycle. Every time you quit, you prove to yourself that you're a quitter. Every time you give up, you strengthen the part of your brain that expects you to give up. But strong mindsets work differently. They're built on one simple foundation: keeping your word to yourself. Here's the challenge that breaks weak mindsets. Pick something that takes less than 5 minutes. Something you can do regardless of your mood, your energy, or your circumstances. That's it. Nothing complicated, nothing impressive. But here's the critical part. You do it every single day for 21 days. No exceptions. No negotiations. No, I'll do extra tomorrow. This isn't about the habit itself. This is about rewiring your relationship with commitment. Day 1 will feel easy. Day 3 will feel routine. Day 7 will feel boring. This is where most people quit. When it stops feeling new. When it stops feeling exciting. But this is exactly where the real work begins. Because weak mindsets need excitement to continue. They need motivation. They need to feel like it. Strong mindsets continue anyway. They do the thing whether they feel like it or not. They keep their word, whether it's convenient or not. By day 14, you'll want to quit. Your brain will offer you reasons, good reasons, logical reasons. This is the test. This is where you choose weak mindset or strong mindset. Here's what happens when you complete all 21 days. You prove to yourself that you can keep commitments. You show yourself that your word matters. You demonstrate that you can do hard things even when they feel boring. This changes everything. Because once you know you can keep a 21-day commitment, you know you can keep any commitment. Once you prove you can push through when you don't feel like it, you prove you're stronger than your feelings. You stop being someone who starts things and becomes someone who finishes them. You stop being someone who tries and becomes someone who does. That's weak mindset thinking. Weak mindsets always look for complicated solutions to simple problems. Pick your habit. Start today. Mark it on a calendar. Don't tell anyone about it. Don't post about it. Don't make it complicated. Just do the thing you said you'd do. Every day. For 21 days. No exceptions. No excuses. No negotiations. Someone with a strong mindset. The question is simple. Will you be the person who completes this, or the person who quits when it gets boring? Your answer will tell you everything you need to know about your mindset. And if you don't like what it tells you, you know exactly what to do about it.
Get the Weekplan app at weekplan.net.